Hey guys, Will Roundtree here. Look, I'm calling on all my entrepreneurs, all my full-time CEOs. Look, I understand we are all looking and striving for one thing, and that's building a legacy, building that generational wealth. We often talk about leaving an inheritance for our children's children. But one of the things in building a legacy is having access to information that will help us to be able to leave the legacy. So whether it's leaving real estate, leaving money for your loved ones, you have to have the right information. You need the proper strategies to position yourself so you are in position to leave a legacy. So I'm going to challenge you. What are you doing right now to be able to leave a legacy for your loved ones? But more importantly, I put something together for you that is the ultimate legacy play. It is my legendary deals of my full-time CEO essentials. That's right. I mean, for over $4,000 worth of value, I'm literally giving it away. My team has been screaming at me for the past couple of weeks as we've been shooting this content. But I said, I want to be able to leave my mark on this legacy play by being able to offer the information that I've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars over the past 17 years to be able to help you in investing in each and every last one of you so you can leave a legacy for your family. So what I need you to do is scroll down below and check out these courses that I've put together for you. You know, I have how to build a six-figure business in the credit repair industry. I mean, I get tons of calls, people asking, how do I start credit repair? Scroll down below, learn how today. You know, 5 steps to boosting your credit score in the next 30 days. As I often talk about, as long as you have great credit, you'll always be able to create opportunities and getting access to capital for you to be able to position yourself to leave that legacy for your family. And so even if you want to start that new business, grow your new business, I have Credit to Cash, the art of creative financing. Again, we need to be able to have capital to invest in things so we can leave that legacy. And then more importantly, which is one of the ultimate plays in building a legacy, is creating that real estate portfolio. So whether you're a novice or you know a little bit about real estate, but you just don't have the right strategies, scroll down below and check out my course, Real Estate Investing Secrets, the guide to building your proper real estate business. I'm telling you, everything you need to know about building your real estate A-team, I'm going to show you. Scroll down below. I'm telling you, this is a legendary, deeply discounted deal, over 90% off. As I mentioned, typically I would charge over $4,000 for this entire bundle, and I'm giving it away for hardly next to nothing. So what I need you to do is scroll down below, get off this video, pick a package. Let's focus on building that legacy, and I'll see you at the top.